Okay, here's problem number 2. It says the cost Y in dollars to park in a garage is found by the equation y equals 8 plus 1.75x, where x is the number of hours parked. Select whether each statement is true or false. Now you should show work for each one of these, and there is, you do have a space down there to work it out. So we're going to work with the first equation. You need to know slope-intercept form, which I wrote up here, y equals mx plus b. This equation right here, this equation is not in slope-intercept form, so we're going to have to rearrange it a little bit. I'm going to switch the 8 and the 1.75x, so it is in slope-intercept form. The sign stays the same with each of the numbers. And now I can clearly see that this is my slope, and that this number here at the end is my y-intercept. So I did kind of show some work there. You need to know that in the ordered pair, the first term 0 is an x value and the second 0 is a y value. All I'm going to do is replace the x and the y in the equation and check it to see if I get a true statement or a false statement. Does 0 equal 1.75 times 0 plus 8?
Good.
Okay, so I have 1.75 times 0. That's going to give me a 0. So I have 0 on the left and 0 plus 8, which equals 8 on the right. That is a false statement, so I can clearly mark false. And I should work for this. The second one says that the graph of y equals 8 plus 1.75x is a straight line. Well, when all the exponents, or exponents on the variables, are 1, it graphs as a straight line. Okay, this has a positive slope of 1.75. Sorry about that. So it should be going up to the right. This is a straight line, so I'm going to mark true. True, that is a straight line. Whether it slopes up to the right or down to the right, or if it's a straight flat line that has a slope of 0, or if it's a vertical line that has an undefined slope, those are all considered straight lines. Okay, let's go down to the third part. It says that the y-intercept is equal to 8. Is the y-intercept equal to 8? Yes, it is. That's true. I labeled my equation after I wrote it in slope-intercept form. And then it says the slope represents the total cost of 1 hour of parking, which is $1.75. Well, if I substitute $1.75, or I take $1.75 and I substitute 1, and then I add 8 to it, I have $1.75 plus $8, and that means that y would equal $9.75. And they're saying it's going to equal $1.75, so this is a false statement. The slope represents the total cost of 1 hour. We still have the $8 for the entrance fee. All right, so please try the next one on your own.